Don't run away. Oh, he's running. Yes.
What is it?
He's a redhead.
Is it baby lizard?
Run around. Go, baby lizard. Go. He won't go.
Touch him.
No, you touch him.
Okay.
You touch him. I'll touch him. He's running. I got to touch him. He's running. He's running.
Should we let him go outside to his home?
It was us.
You don't want to let him go to his home?
Yeah. No. He's just a friend.
He's our friend?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's a bug.
He's not a bug, he's a lizard.
But he's supposed to be a bug.
You think so? How come? Why is he supposed to be a bug?
He's coming. I don't want to go. I don't want to go. He's downstairs with us.
Let him sit with us?
Yeah.
He's got to go back to his mommy, though.
Mom's down there and they crawl around.
Are you sure you don't want to let him go back to his mama?
No.
Can you give him a kiss bye-bye?
Mm-hmm. Have a great day.
Say, what'd you say? What did you say to him?
Have a great day.
Have a great day. See him tomorrow.
Have a great day, everybody.